Thank you for considering Moore's Press Cookbooks as your cookbook publisher. Whether you're creating your cookbook as a perfect fundraiser, lasting keepsake, or a memorable business promotion, Typensave makes it affordable, fast, and easy. Typensave allows you to create your entire cookbook online, cover to cover. Just click away. Order online right from your Typensave account. No trips to the post office or UPS. Access your account anytime 24/7. The chairperson simply creates a free account and distributes the login passwords to committee members and recipe contributors. Perfect if participants are spread out on the map. Start selling or distributing your cookbooks faster. That's because production time is 3 to 4 weeks shorter. Cut down on cost. Just for using Typensave, we'll knock 25 cents off the per book price. You can combine that savings with our seasonal coupons and our discount recipe format to save even more. You control all parts of your cookbook. Your chairperson can communicate with members through messages, set a due date for recipes, decide how many recipes each member can contribute, and set a maximum number of recipes to include in your cookbook. The chairperson will also easily be able to select a stock cover or create a custom cover, pick a stock divider set or create custom dividers, create personal pages using our templates, choose the recipe format, decide whether to include any optional features, and edit, delete, and arrange recipes. Decide which cookbook extras to include, and upload any photos or text files for the cover, dividers, and personal pages. Once the chairperson distributes the login passwords to committee members and recipe contributors, they'll be able to help make your cookbook a success. Committee members can add recipes and help the chair edit and delete recipes. Contributors are limited to adding recipes and viewing other people's recipes in order to better decide which of their recipes to enter. When all components of your cookbook are completed and the chairperson is ready to order, he or she will simply click "I'm finished" to see a flipbook of your entire cookbook, check for errors, and make corrections, so your cookbook is just the way you want it. The chair then approves the book, completes the order form, and places the order online. We also invite you to use the demo to try out adding recipes on Typensave. And of course, our customer service staff and live chat feature are here to help every step of the way. Thanks for considering Typensave to help you create your custom cookbook. We give you all the ingredients for success.